Para po sa asawa kong hindi na makatayo at may papasyal ko na siya ngayong may wheelchair na siya. Maraming salamat po.
Malaking tulong po sa inyo.
Malaking tulong po sa akin dahil hindi ko po mailabas ang asawa ko. Lagi lang nasa loob ng bahay. Sa ngayon may wheelchair na siya. Pwede na siyang mailabas at may pasyal. Maraming salamat po sa Batalya Cares.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. My name is Carlos Batalya and I am one of the children of Chairman Carlo Batalya. Let me first acknowledge our coordinators for this event. Kuya Arman, our Batalya Care staff, Ate Ella, Kuya Chris, of course, our Tito William, the National Coordinator of Batalya Cares, his brother. I would also like to acknowledge the barangay officials of Guadalupe Viejo, the kind and active classmates of Tatiana who have come here today to assure us that this event will go smoothly. And of course, lastly, to the residents and to all of you who are here today, especially the beneficiaries, good afternoon. Growing up with Batalya Cares, I've seen how small actions can create big changes. Hindi kailangan malaki ang action or gift even. Ang mahalaga ay ang pagbabahagi ng ating biyaya sa abot ng ating makakaya. Hindi namin makakalimutan ang bawat recipient na nagsabing ang wheelchair na tatanggap nila ay nagbigay ng lakas ng loob sa kanila. Pati mga mahal nila sa buhay ay nagpapasalamat rin sa regalo ng wheelchair. Moments like these remind us why we do this. To bring hope and dignity to others. Ngayon, nais ko pong mas maging aktibo sa Batalya Cares movement. Gusto kong mas makilahok sa mga gawain ng Batalya Cares upang mas madama at maibahagi ang kahalagaan ng pagtulong sa ating komunidad. And to further understand why my dad believes in the Batalya Care movement. Sa pamagitan ng sama-sama pagbibigay at pagdamay, let's continue to make Barangay Olympia, Pitogo, and Guadalupe Viejo a stronger and more compassionate community. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, and let us enjoy this day.
Layunin, ang makatulong sa mga nangangailangan. Over the years, it has grown because of partnership with donors, volunteers, and the continuous support from our friends and families. Ang mga wheelchair na ito ay hindi lang basta regalo. They are tools for independence and dignity. Recently, I've had the chance to meet some of the recipients and hear their stories personally. Last week, we were given the opportunity to visit Barangay San Antonio de Padua and Dasmariñas, Cavite. Wow, hindi ko pala alam kung gaano kalayong Cavite sa amin. Subalit, laking tuwa ang aming naramdaman na ipamahagi sa mga beneficiaries ang mga wheelchairs. Hearing their laughter and happiness, them inviting us to eat and talk with them, and hearing their stories and understanding what made them strong.
We're the students of 9-2. I'm Lucy Castillo. We're from Assumption College. Thank you to Batalya Cares for giving us this opportunity. We're so happy that we were able to help people and contribute to the service of this community. It's so nice to see the reactions of people and be able to participate and feel the community and the impact that we've made. So thank you so much, Batalya Cares.
Mula noong itinatag ang Batalya Cares, ang layunan namin ay magbigay ng compassion, equality, at empowerment sa lahat. Today is a reminder that our work is about giving others the chance to move forward, literally and figuratively. These wheelchairs symbolize dignity and hope. At ito ay nagsisilbing reminder ng ating layunin na maghatid ng tulong sa bawat isa. But our mission is not just about the things we give. It's about building a community where we help and support one another. Not just during Christmas, but all year round. The spirit of giving doesn't have to be limited to the holiday season. Small acts of kindness, no matter how simple, can have a big impact on someone's life. Last week's wheelchair distribution was an encouraging and eye-opening moment for me. It reminded me of the power of compassion and community. Seeing the joy and relief on people's faces as they gained mobility was deeply moving. Each wheelchair symbolized more than just a means of transport. It represented opportunity and empowerment. Not only that, but the event also taught me the importance of collaboration. From the organizers, to the donors, to the volunteers, it was inspiring to see how many hands and hearts gathered together to make a difference. And today, I'm especially glad to have my classmates here with me to share in this journey and continue advocating for meaningful change together. Each of us has a part to play in building a stronger and more caring community. Batalya Cares is just one way we can come together and make a difference. When we support each other, we can accomplish so much more. Let's continue to work hand in hand to create a future where no one is left behind and where we all experience the joy of helping one another. Thank you, Barangay Olympia, Betogo, and Guadalupe Viejo. Let's keep supporting and uplifting each other today and always. Thank you.
Salamat po sa Batalya Cares.
Maraming salamat, Batalya Cares!